Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Show you how to open up the sample projects that come with the course. So after each video, you'll see that there's a sample project that you can download to view the actual content created in that video. A lot of people ask how to open those. I want to show you two ways to do it now. So one option, and the one I'd recommend, is let's just close our project here and open up Android Studio to see the welcome screen, and then just select open an existing Android Studio project, and then open the folder that you downloaded the project to. Hopefully you've unzipped it and you should see the project there, example app, and then open. And then it will load the app from the file contents. But another way of doing it, let's just close that down again, is to navigate to the folder itself. And this is where people sometimes get a bit confused because it's not obvious which file you actually click on to load the project into Android Studio. The answer is you double click the build.gradle file. And then if that's the first time you've done it, you'll need to choose Android Studio as the application to associate Gradle files with. So just find it in your applications. There it is. Click open. And as usual, I'd stick to the defaults. You can overwrite any files and then open existing project. There we go. So those are the two ways to do it. I'd recommend using file open either within Android Studio itself or on the welcome screen. If you want to do it directly, you just double click the build.gradle file. All right, enough of this. Let's get started building and editing